Hey guys, I'm back this time to practice some mental math. So don't grab your paper and your pencils and let's get started. What is 548 in expanded form? So expanded form is when you expand these numbers in their different place values. So for example, in 548, you start in the hundreds place. The 5 is in the hundreds place, so it's worth 500. So you say 500 plus, you go to the tens place. The 4 is in the tens place, it's worth 40. 4 sets of 10. So 500 plus 40. And in the ones place, it's just 8 ones. So 500 plus 40 plus 8 is expanded form. The next one, you can try on your own. Remember, mental math. Here we see a number bond, and it tells us what the whole is. The whole that we're trying to get to is 1,000, and then there are two parts, but one part is missing. We know one part of 1,000 is 850, and we don't know how much more we need to make 1,000. So the way I like to do it is you start with your whole, 1,000, and then you can count backwards by the number that they give you to figure out what you're missing. So kind of like how we were doing with the expanded form, I like to start in the hundreds place. So 1,000, remember mental math, and if I subtract, I count backwards by 800, then what do I get? 200. So now we're at 200. We still have to subtract the 50 and 0. So 200 minus 50, 150. Minus 0 in the ones place, 150. So 850, and then you put 150 in the other part, that will make 1,000. I want to try this one together too because it's a little different than the one we did before. So the whole in this number bond is 150. They tell us 51 is one part, we don't know the other part. So we start with 150, there is no hundreds place, so I go on to the tens place. There is 50 in the tens place. So 150 minus 50 is 100, and then there's a 1 in the ones place. We stopped at 100, so minus that 1 will give me 99. So 99 should go in the next part. Here we have 500 as the whole. One part's missing, the other part is 450. It's your turn to give it a shot at your mental math. In the comments, let me know what you think for these, and there are a few more that you can try. Which expression is equivalent to 3 times 4 times 5? Equivalent has that smaller word in it, equal. So which one of these expressions, these answer choices, is equal to whatever 3 times 4 times 5 is equal to? So first, we need to figure that out. I see there are parentheses here, and you always want to do what is in parentheses first. So you might need your paper for this and pencil just so you can keep track of your answers as you're writing. You always want to go through each answer choice and write down your answer for all of them just to make sure you got it right. So doing what's in parentheses first, we have 4 times 5, which we know is 20, so I'm going to write that down. And then what we have left over is still, we have to do that times 3. So we have to do 3 times 20, and instead of doing your 3's 20 times, because most of us don't know 3 times 20 right just off the top of our heads, what you can do is you can do the basic fact that we see there. 3 times that 2 will give you 6, and then just add the 0 that you left over. And boom, 3 times 20 is 60. So now we need to figure out which one of these answer choices matches 60, is equivalent to 60. So A, I can do 20 minus 3, 19, 18, 17. That does not match my 60. That one is not correct. B, 3 plus 4 plus 5. There's no parentheses. I don't have to do it in any certain order. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 11. So this one is 11. I know that one is not correct. Let's try our next one. So we have 3 times 4 plus 4 times 5. We have 2 parentheses here. I want to do the first one that I see first. So 3 times 4 is 12. Bring down that plus sign. 4 times 5, we just did that one. That one is 20. And then mental math again, we can do 20 plus 12. So 20 at this tens place, which is 30, and then at the ones place, so 32. This one is 32. That one doesn't match my 60. So which means the last one should, but just in case, we need to go ahead and add it up to make sure. D says 20 plus 20 plus 20. I know that these first two 20s will equal 40. And then I still have plus 20 left. And 40 plus 20 is 60. So that means that D will be our answer here. And there are a few more that you can try on your own on the next couple of slides. Again, answers in the comments.